Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Good day to everyone. I welcome you all on our YouTube channel, Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. It's Islamiyat lesson of level 2, prepared by Ms. Rehana Sattar and voice over by Ms. Tabassum Shafiq. So dear friends, let's start our lesson. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, perfect. It's Khana Kaaba. Let's move. Yes, it's Khana Kaaba. It's Allah's house, the most sacred place for Muslims all over the world. Can you tell me some more words about Khana Kaaba? Think and start to write on a page. You have 20 seconds. So dear friends, I hope you have written some words. Let's start. First word. Yes, what you have written? Yes, it's Allah's house. It's black. Yes, it's covered with the black piece of cloth. Hajj. Very good. Saudi Arabia. Qibla. Well done. Any other word? Perfect. Dear friends, I have mentioned some general word regarding Khana Kaaba. First word is Khana Kaaba. Second word, namaz. Yes, all over the world, Muslims offer namaz facing Khana Kaaba. Hajj. We perform Hajj there. Yes. Next word, Qibla. Khana Kaaba is our Qibla. Black. Its color is black. Saudi Arabia. Yes. Saudi Arabia. Khana Kaaba is located in the country Saudi Arabia. Allah's house. Khana Kaaba is Allah's house. It's located in the city Makkah. Khana Kaaba is covered with black piece of cloth and at the center of the earth. On this slide we have three pictures. In first picture, people are gathered around Kaaba and they are offering Hajj. In the second picture, we can see a person offering namaz facing Khana Kaaba, as all the Muslims follow this. And the last picture, we can see that Khana Kaaba is located in the center of the earth. You can get the information regarding this on Google Map. So, formally start our lesson. Now, tell me, what is Khana Kaaba? Read it. Yes. Khana Kaaba is the first building made for worship of Allah. It's small square stone building. Yes, it's square shaped. It's mean all the sides of Khana Kaaba are in equal size. Let's move. Yes. Khana Kaaba is the Qibla of all Muslims. Very good. And Muslims all over the world pray facing the Khana Kaaba. You all know that. Here we have a question. Who built the Kaaba? So dear friends, start reading. Yes. The Prophet Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam built it as a place for praying to Allah. Yes. Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam are the forefathers of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do you know who is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yes, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the last Prophet of Allah. Look at this picture. This is the old picture of Khana Kaaba. At first, Khana Kaaba was only having the boundaries, not roof, and also it's not in square shape. The Kaaba was destroyed by rain, wind, and even floods, and it was built many times on the same foundation. You can see in the picture, in the first picture, on the top corner, you can see water is around the building. Yes. And here in the second picture, you can see construction is going on. What was inside the Kaaba? As time passed, the Arabs forgot the teachings of prophets. They still considered Kaaba as a holy place. They put their idols there. There were more than 300 idols inside the Kaaba. But Holy Prophet ﷺ cleared the Kaaba after conquering Makkah. जब मक्का फ़तह कर लिया तो हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने खाना काबा में से तमाम बुतों को तोड़कर निकाल दिया. Muqam-e Ibrahim, the stone which has the footprints of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, is called Muqam-e Ibrahim. Do you know who is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam? Yes. Perfect. The Prophet of Allah and also the forefather of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Very good. So you can see in the right picture, in the golden cage, this stone is fixed inside this golden cage to cover it, to protect it. Dear friends, एक सवाल जो आपके दिमाग में आएगा कि एक पत्थर के ऊपर एक इंसान के फुटप्रिंट्स कैसे हो सकते हैं. तो चलिए सुनते हैं कि ये पत्थर आया कहाँ से. असल में जब हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम ने खाना काबा की तामीर शुरू की, उस वक्त उनके साथ सिर्फ उनके बेटे हज़रत इस्माइल अलैहिस्सलाम थे और वो उन्हें पत्थर पकड़ा रहे थे और सिर्फ ये पत्थर की बिल्डिंग थी. दीवार बनाने के लिए एक पत्थर के ऊपर दूसरा पत्थर रखते और फिर दूसरे के ऊपर तीसरा पत्थर रखते और इस तरह इन्होंने चारों तरफ मुकम्मल कर ली. अब जब कुछ हिस्सा मुकम्मल हो गया तो हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम को महसूस हुआ कि इसे और ऊंचा करना चाहिए. तो अल्लाह ताला ने आसमान से एक पत्थर को भेजा और हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम से कहा, इस पर खड़े हो जाइए. हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम उस पर खड़े हो गए और ये पत्थर ख़ुद ब खुद ऊपर से नीचे मूव करता. हज़रत इस्माईल से हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम पत्थर लेते और जिस जगह पत्थर लगाना होता ये पत्थर उसी जगह जाकर रुक जाता. इस तरह खाना काबा की तामीर मुकम्मल की गई. So dear friend, now you are well aware about the Maqam Ibrahim. Here is Hajr Aswad. It's a black stone fixed at one corner of Kaaba and it is called Hajr Aswad. Yes. And it is covered with silver body. Yes, metal. The most visited place in the world. Muslims all over the world go there to perform Hajj every year in the month of Zilhajj. Yes, Hajj is performed in the month of Zilhajj, and Umrah they can do whole year, any time in the year. So dear friends, Kaaba is the most visited place in the world. Dear friends, on this slide, I want to show you what is the exact place of Hajar Aswad and Maqam Ibrahim. You can see at point A. Yes, here. In the corner of Kaaba, in the wall, Hajar Aswad is placed and covered with silver body. Yes. And at point C, we have Maqam Ibrahim, where the footprints of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam are placed. Yes. So dear friend, it was today's lesson. Now it's time to feedback. Are you ready, guys? Good. Let's move. So dear friend, it's time for feedback. I hope you have learnt well. You can give me the answer very easily. Here we have first statement. These are the fill in the blanks with suitable words. You have to fill them. First word is stone, idols, Hajar Aswad, 300, Maqam Ibrahim. The stone with the footprint of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is called excellent Maqam Ibrahim. Khana Kaaba is a square dash building, square stone building. It's mean it was built by the square stones. The black stone is called Hajar Aswad. Very good. Arabs worshipped dash before Islam. They worshipped idols. Well done. Before Islam, there were more than dash idols inside the Khana Kaaba. How many were they? 300. More than 300. Yes. Excellent, guys. I hope you have learned today a lot, and you will share this information with your family and friends, and you will tell them what you know about Hajar Aswad, Maqam Ibrahim, and also about Khana Kaaba and who built it. Excellent. Okay, guys. Good day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.